Today we will deal with division in Vedic mathematics. When we say division, immediately the current passes from the head to the toe. The reason is because the many steps, lengthy process. But in Vedic mathematics it has been made very simple. We are going to deal with division in three parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Part 1, simplification using common factors and also division by number 9, ending with 9. Second is division by numbers which are closer to 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, etc. In part 3 it is general, division by any number irrespective of it is nearer to 100 or ending with 9, whatever it is. Now before we start, let us just recall what we have learned in our school days, because we are going to use those terminologies very often. 33 by 8. 33 is called as dividend, 8 is called the divisor. And you get the answer 4 and the remainder 1. This 4 is called as quotient, the remainder. Once again I will tell you, 33 is the dividend, 8 is the divisor, the answer you get is quotient, and whatever is remaining is the remainder. Now we will start with part 1, simplification using common factors. All of us know any even number is divisible by 2. The number divisible by 3 is we add the digits in the number, and the sum, if it is divisible by 3, that number is divisible by 3. 4, last 2 digits, if they are divisible by 4, that number is divisible by 4. As far as 5 is concerned, number ending with 0 and 5. 6, if it is a factor of 2 and 3, it is 6. 8, last 3 digits, if they are divisible by 8, that number is divisible by 8. 9, it is similar to 3. You add the digits, sum you find out, and if it is divisible by 9, that number is divisible by 9. If the number is ending with 0, it is divisible by 10. 11, what you have to do is you have to add the digits in the odd place separately and the digits in the even place separately. If they are equal, or if they differ by 11, or if they differ by multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. 12 is concerned, 3 and 4. If it is a factor of 3 and 4, it is a factor of 12. 15, if it is a factor of 3 and 5, it is a factor of 15. 18, 2 and 9. If it is a factor of 2 and 9, it is a factor of 18. This is, we have learnt in our school days. This is just a recall, because this is the way we can simplify. Sometimes it could be a multiple, we have got a ready answer, or at least the number will reduce and division becomes easy. We will straight away start with problem, because in mathematics theory is less, more of problem solving. And if you solve more problem, you practice, you get a mastery level. Now denominator is 99, 9 and 11. Now let us see the numerator. Add the digits. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 23. 32, 36. It is a factor of 9. Now let us see whether it is 11. 8 plus 6, 14, 18. 9 plus 4, 13, 18. So it is a factor of 11 and 9. So first we will divide by 9, 11. 11 5 is 55, 34, 7 3 is 16 1, 59 11 5 is 7 4. Now divide by 9. 9 5 is 45, 9 9 is 81, and 6 is 52. You have got the ready answer. Let us see one more problem. It is ending with 5, it is a factor of 5. 4 plus 9, 13 plus 5, 18. So it is a factor of 9 also. 9 and 5. Numerator 7 plus 9, 16. 22, 26, 36. That is also a factor of 9. 9 5 is 45. It is difficult to divide by 45. So we will divide by 15. 15 3 is 45. 15 3 is 45. 15 5 is 75. 15 3 is 45. 15 9 is 135. 15 7 is 105. Now 5 plus 0, 12, 9 plus 3, 12. It is a factor of 11 also. Let us take one more. Denominator is a factor of 9 and 8. Numerator 6 plus 8, 14, 14, 17, 23, 27. It is also a factor of 9 and number is ending with 64, also a factor of 4. So we will divide by 12. 12 6 is 72, 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 72, 1 6 12 9 is 108, 12 7 is 84. Now again it is a factor of 3, divided by 3. Now it is not divisible, but number is less, so you can simply solve it. So if common factors are there, we can solve it very fast. Now let us try to understand division by numbers ending with 9. You straight away solve the problem and try to understand. Here answer is written and the remainder is written. Remainder is written before the answer, it becomes a dividend for the next division. We will see once we do the problem, it is clear. Only thing is you have to practice, practice, practice till you get control over the entire process. Let us take 1 by 29. Number is ending with 9. In Vedic mathematics, 1 is added to this 29 and it is written as 1 by 30. Now division. It is 0.1 by 3. I will write the answers in black and the remainder in red. 1 by 3 is 0. 10 by 3 is 3 and the remainder is 1. Now next dividend is 13. 13 by 3 is 4. The remainder is 1. Next dividend is 14. 14 by 3 is 4. Dividend 2. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Dividend 0. 8 by 3 is 2. Remainder 2. 22 by 3 is 7. Remainder 1. Now next dividend is 17. 3 by the 15 to remainder. Like that it will continue. We can stop after 4 5 decimals. Let us take one more. 1 by 49. As usual, add 1. 1 by 50. 0.1 by 3. Now 0. You are left with the 10. 2. Remainder 0. In 2 by 5 is 0. You have got remainder 2. 20 by 4, 5 is 4. Remainder 0. 4 by 5 is 0. Remainder 4. 40 by 5, 8. Remainder 0. Like this will continue. Next is 1, remainder 3. Now, like that you can go on continuing, but after 3 4 decimal you can stop. But this is only thing is number should end in 9. But sometimes you may have numbers ending not in 9. Then can this be applied? It can be done with some adjustments. Let us take a case 1 by 23. Now it is ending with 3. Now as the rule says it should end with 9. So we have to make this number ending with 9. Multiply by 3 to both numerator and denominator. Add 1. 3 by 70. 0.3 by 7. Now 3 by 0 is 7 is 0. You are left with 3, 3 0, 4. Remainder we write before 2, 24. Next dividend is 24, like 7 is 3. 21, 24 minus 21 is 3. Next dividend is 33, 7 for the 28, 5 is the remainder. 7 7 the 49, 5. Like this you can continue. But I am stopping after 4 5 decimals. Let us take one more, 1 by 83. It is again ending with 3, not ending with 9. As we did earlier, multiply by 3. Add 1. By 25, 24. 40 by 25 is 1. Remainder 5. 51 by 25 is 2. Remainder 1. 12 is 0. Remainder 12. 120 by 25 is 4. remainder 20. Like this it will continue. So you get an answer which is exactly equal to the value of 1 by 83. Only thing is you have to make little adjustment. So in this session we studied two things. One is common factors are found out and numerator and denominator is divided so that the number is simplified. Sometimes you may get a final answer if it is a perfect multiple of the denominator. Otherwise, at least the number will be reduced and a smaller number you will get and division becomes easier. And in the second part, we studied division by numbers ending with 9. There is a method suggested by Vedic mathematics. Only thing is, we have to do certain unlearning. Normal mathematics, remainder is written to the next before the next number, but here it is written just before the answer only, and that is treated as a dividend for next division. If the number is not ending with 9, still we can make it applicable by changing the denominator to a number ending with 9 by multiplying by 7, 3, whatever it is, depending upon the number that is in the denominator. And the similar number is multiplied to the numerator also, and then the system is adopted and introduced. You get the answer. So we studied two things. One is simplification by common factors and division by numbers ending with 9. And even if it is not ending with 9, you can change it into 9 and then we make it applicable to the system and arrive at the answer.